What emotions do you feel when you see this video? What emotions do you feel when you see this video? What?
Good energy.
Good energy. What else?
Like people are having fun.
Well, but what do you feel when you see this video? When you watch the video?
Good. Warm.
I feel cheered
Comfort.
up. What
But
do you feel like?
how do you feel when you see the video?
Hyped up.
How do you feel when you see the video?
Somewhere hype up, yeah.
How do you feel when you see the video? Whoa. Right? What emotions do you feel?
Like this is the dude who was showing me a good time. Straight up.
Fear of missing out. Say with me. Fear of missing out. The FOMO effect. The FOMO effect is super fucking important. It's super key. What you want to do on your social media is you want to demonstrate such high value and such fun experiences. It doesn't have to be nightlife, it doesn't have to be parties, it could be anything, but you're a DJ, so you can do that. You know, Ev, what do you do for work again?
Manager, I'm not very...
Okay, but can you do fun things? Do you do fun things?
Oh yeah, I go ATV riding, I go camping.
You go camping. You can do content camping. You can do content like Alfredo's an airplane. I don't know nothing about aviation. We go flying, I post that. People are like, holy fuck, I wanna come. It creates, because I posted a video like that recently. I posted a video of me flying around the city of Toronto, right? Hey guys, look at this video. It's Justin Marc on an airplane, shows the city, creates FOMO, a FOMO feedback loop. Say it, FOMO feedback loop.
FOMO feedback loop.
And what happens is then the girls want to come join you. And a lot of them will just fucking slide in your DMs. Does that make sense?
Yep.
So last night, funny story, this girl came over. Remember I said demonstrate low value? Do you notice how sexy my Instagram is? It's sexy, right? High value, right? Does it come off relatable or not unrelatable? It's kind of almost unrelatable.
Yeah.
So when I actually meet girls in person, you know what I have to do? I have to make myself seem relatable. They already know I'm a high value guy if they have me on Instagram. If they've stalked me a little bit, you can kind of tell. You gotta almost like read the body and see like how well they've seen my shit, how much, and you can see them by the time they met up, they kind of stalk me a little bit. Girls won't just fucking show up to meet you. They will stalk the shit out of you, they'll Google you, they'll Google your name, they'll fucking ask their friends about you, they'll try to ask around about you before they meet up with you. And then when they meet up with you, they've already decided they like you, right? Or they want to meet up in the first place. Does it make sense? So these girls came over to the penthouse last night, but we just met them. Michael cold approached them. He brings them over. They see my house, they're running around the house like, oh my God, it's so nice. Oh my God. What do you do for work? I'm like, take a guess, what do you think I do for work? And take a guess. I'm like, I work at McDonald's. Like, you ever gone to McDonald's, you go to the guy, go to the cashier, you order a Big Mac, and you see a guy and they scream in the kitchen, 1 Big Mac, and then you see a guy in the back, he's flipping a burger. That's me, I'm that guy. And then I'm like, but I worked really hard for many, many years to inherit my dad's trust fund. And the girl's like, oh, stop it, you're so silly, right? Like, demonstrate low value. Yes, show on social media you're a high value guy. Dress the part, act elegant, act confident, act open, big body language, right? But when the girl knows you're that guy, instead of being some cocky douchebag, you demonstrate low value to make yourself seem more relatable, right?
Genius.
Does that make sense? And now she feels more comfortable with you. And then you can just sit down, have a heart-to-heart, have a genuine, authentic conversation. 1 a.m., I'm talking to this girl, I'm having like a heart-to-heart with her last night. We're talking about anxiety, social anxiety, all this shit. And like, when I say I have social anxiety, I'm not just making that up, guys. I have probably more anxiety than a lot of you guys. But I've just overcome it, and I know how to overcome it constantly. And I start telling her about the anxiety, and I sit down and have a heart-to-heart, and she sees me as this like super cool dude, super high status, right? And I'm just having the most genuine conversation with her. Before that, she shit-tested me all this stuff. And dude, we like had an emotional moment where like I could see she almost like wanted to break into tears with how emotional and vulnerable I was being. And I felt the same thing. We both kind of just paused, stopped talking for a sec. And dude, at that moment, I could tell this girl's fucking in love with me. Like I just made a girl fall in love the first night, like that. Using what I just talked about. Just being relatable, being authentic, being vulnerable. Isn't that fucking crazy? And this is some of the deepest levels of seduction. But I'm not doing it just to seduce. I'm doing it because I'm being who I am. And this is what makes a guy super attractive. It's like being real and being vulnerable. And I'm able to do that on my social media in both ways. Because also sometimes post like just dumb shit, very authentic shit. It's a lot though, it's all these principles, and when I'm doing content, I'm thinking, oh fuck, this is perfect. Boom, bang, boom, got the shot. Even better when I hire videographers, even better when I hire videographers who know game. You know, but like Matt's the best, he's the GOAT. I really can't have anyone else doing work. Like Matt, like all my top videos, like Matt did or like managed, you know. Like Matt did this casually in 10 seconds on his phone. He got 700,000 views. Isn't that like insane? Like what the fuck? It's not even fair. It's crazy how this shit works, man.
But to be honest, Justin, your Instagram makes you look like this unapproachable dude. Like when I first hopped on your Instagram, I was like, who is this dude who just spends money to get bitches? I was like,
I get it.
Yeah.
But do I spend money on bitches? Has anyone seen me spend money this week on any girls at all?
oh, so.
I paid for a girl's Uber last night. $8. $8. I bought some girls pizza on Friday night.
Yeah.
And then they were asking for an Uber home. They're like hinting, oh, we want to go home. Oh my God, Uber is so expensive. And I literally just like looked at them and I turned around and walked away. Cause I'm thinking, these girls suck my dick. I didn't invite these bitches out. Someone else did. I don't fucking, what the fuck? Who even invited these girls? The girls just showed up to my house. Remember I said girls just showed up to my house? I think Michael invited them. Or did you invite them? Well, I didn't invite them. They're asking me to Uber them home. I just bought them pizza. And I bought them pizza because there are people in my house and they're hungry. So I'll do what a man's gotta do, right? But I'm not Uber them home. Fuck that. I don't fucking know you. The fuck? If I invite her out, she's my Tinder date, or like one of my girls, or my girlfriend, no problem. I have a private driver for my girlfriend. Some random fucking hoe. I'm not fucking paying for your fucking Uber home. Jesus Christ, get a job. You know what I mean? Dude, the other day we're at Cabana. Who the fuck was I with at Cabana? Oh, was it you?
Oh, yeah.
Dude, what the fuck was that? What did I say to those girls?
She's like, hey, can you guys buy me food? And you're like, on four.
No, so this girl's like, so we approach this girl, and first of all, these girls are ugly as fuck. Remember like the whole giving out gold? Imagine you're walking the street handing out bars of gold, handing bars of gold, handing out bars of gold. Some girl's like, I don't want your gold. Well, it's like, all right, fuck it. I'll keep the gold, more gold for me. I don't give a fuck. But this girl is like, I approach this girl. I'm just like, hey, I got me on Instagram, promoter, I'll invite you out, whatever. She's like, are you gonna buy me food? And I'm like, why the fuck would I buy you food? That's a weird thing to say to someone you just met. And she's like, well, I'm hungry. And I'm like, well, I'm broke, right? And then, obviously I'm not broke, right? And then she's like, but you buy me food or I want to talk to you. I'm like, well, no, I was like, what are you, homeless? like the homeless person asked me to buy you food? No, I'm not gonna buy you food. I'm like, look, I'll invite you to cool parties. And like before I get her Instagram, she just left, her friend pulled her away. I'm like, look, these girls are ugly as fuck, first of all. I just felt like I was trying to do it for momentum. But it's like, these girls are so dumb. It's like she would have access to the top. But she's too social unaware to recognize that, right? So you guys have to understand, a lot of game is also just getting women out of their own way. And again, a huge way you do this is through social media, having strong call to action. So the whole point is, yes, this makes you unapproachable. However, for the women who are social aware, socially intelligent, even the women who are kind of dumb too, who can recognize value or that specific type of value I'm able to provide them, I'm able to document that and put it on social media and have insane social leverage because I can do one cold approach at a time. I can do one dating approach at a time. I can talk to one girl at a time. But on Instagram, I can talk to fucking a million girls at a time.
Gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. My name is Justin Marc, international dating coach, relationship expert, and VIP lifestyle development coach. I've been teaching dating, soul skills, and Daygame for 10 years in 50 plus countries, 6 continents, to thousands of guys in person just like you. And I love teaching guys this stuff. So if you like this video, please make sure to do me a favor and leave a thumbs up on this video. I really do appreciate that. Now, if you want to follow me more closely, you can go ahead and follow me on my new Instagram, DrunkJustin2, and watch my daily Instagram stories where I'm always partying with hot girls, doing exclusive events, crazy shit on my daily Instagram stories. Make sure to follow me there. You can see me traveling around the world in real time, doing amazing things, and teaching guys like you in person every day on my Instagram. And you can message me on my Instagram as well. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram and message me there. And if you want to actually call me, you can call me at justinmarc.com. We'll do free consultation calls. You can actually call me and we'll do a free discovery call where we can get you on the right action plan to change your dating life and your social life at justinmarc.com. And if you guys want to dig deeper and watch more of our more exclusive content, go to wingmanpodcast.com and watch our Wingman podcast on Spotify, Apple, and all platforms. And we'll see you guys very soon in a new video. My name is Justin Marc, and I'll talk to you very soon. Peace out.